I will show you how to start YouTube affiliates no matter where you are. And you don't need any subscribers, previous experience, or lots of money to start. You just need to sit back, relax, and follow my simple instructions. And for those who keep watching, I've got an idea to take this concept to a whole new level. So I'm sure by now everybody knows about the TikTok Shop affiliate program and how people are making thousands of dollars. But unfortunately, it's not available for everyone. So YouTube got jealous and launched the YouTube Shopping Affiliate Program, where people can tag products in their videos and receive commissions when someone buys that product. But once again, the requirements were disappointing. Your channel must have over 10,000 subscribers and be in the YouTube Partner Program, and you must be in the United States or Korea, which I'm sure not everyone meets all of these requirements, including myself. So I got kind of depressed, couldn't sleep, couldn't eat, just thinking of a way to save us from this. Until it clicked in my mind and found a workaround that doesn't require any of those requirements. And we are gonna start by selecting our niche. Animals is a niche. Golf is a niche. Cooking is also a niche. There are thousands of niches. Pick whatever you like. If you don't have a clear idea, take a look at the Amazon product categories and you will find a niche you might like. For this video, I will go with the pet niche. After choosing a niche, we need to create a YouTube channel about it. So I asked ChatGPT to act as an expert copywriter and come up with channel names. And the one I decided to go with was Purrs and Barks, which is perfect for the pet niche. And in a few minutes, I created this picture, this banner, and just like that, the channel was created. So the next step is to find an affiliate product in our chosen niche to promote. And I don't think there's a better option than Amazon. It's trusted worldwide, and promoting Amazon products will be much easier, especially with the techniques I'm going to share with you later. So here's my personal method to find winning Amazon products. Head to Google and search for Amazon movers and shakers. From the left-hand menu, choose your niche category, which is pet supplies for this example. And this will show you the products that are currently trending and have seen the biggest gains in sales over the past 24 hours. So let's say you like this protection dog spray and want to promote it. All you need to do is use the site stripe at the top to copy your unique affiliate link and start earning commissions. I know, you're asking, how the hell can I get my Amazon affiliate link? Well, here's how to do it. On Google, search for Amazon Associates, and you will land on this page. Click on Sign Up and follow the simple steps. My tip for you is to sign up after you've uploaded a couple of videos on your channel because they will ask for your traffic source. And when you get accepted, which most people do, your dashboard will look like this. And the first thing you need to do is go to Tools from the top menu and then click on Site Stripe. After that, click on Learn More and make sure the display setting is enabled. So now, if you go to the product page, you will find the site stripe at the top. And if you click on text, you'll be able to copy your affiliate link. And on your dashboard, you can track the performance of the products you are promoting. For this video, I will choose this dog flea and tick spray as I think we will be able to create great content about it. So after we choose a product, we need to create a landing page that will direct people to our affiliate products. The simplest way is to use a website like link.bio. It's super easy and you can start using it for free. So after signing up, head to Style and personalize your profile. Add your picture, name, and make sure it matches your YouTube channel. Once you do that, click here on Link. Start by adding the product name, and right underneath, add the affiliate link you copied from SiteStripe. You also have the option to add an image, and once you finish, click Save. So now, if you go to your link.bio site, you will find your first product listed. When you click on it, you will be redirected to Amazon using your affiliate link, which means if someone buys using this link, you earn your commission. And of course, you can add as many products as you like. So what I want you to do now is copy your site link and paste it in your channel bio. And at this point, you should have selected your niche, created your channel, found your first affiliate product, and built your landing page. This means it's time to start creating content to promote our products. And I promise to show you techniques you haven't seen before. And it all starts by signing up to InVideo AI, a tool that turns your prompts into custom videos. But not only that, because later we will combine InVideo AI with ChatGPT to create viral videos. Now, using this tool, you can create all kinds of videos. And in this box, you can write a prompt and generate a video with just one click. However, for YouTube affiliates, we're going to focus on short-form content. And since our channel is about pets, let's test this tool's ability and create a video about pet grooming tips. And after that, we are going to create content to promote our products. So from the workflows, I'm going to select YouTube Shorts. And as you can see, you'll be presented with these options. In this box, you must describe your video. And the more details you provide, the better the outcome. But I really want to test how smart this tool is. So I'll just give a simple prompt like a 30-second video about pet grooming tips. Next, describe the background music and choose your video language. After that, select the narrator. There are plenty of voiceover options. Plus, if you go to plugins, you can clone your own voice, which is mind-blowing. Finally, add subtitles to make it more engaging. And I'm gonna try this one right here. Once you finish, click on Continue and then Generate Video. And here's the results.
You need to watch this if you struggle with grooming your pet. First up, try using baby wipes for a quick clean. Next, a rubber glove works wonders to remove loose fur. And here's a pro tip. A bit of cornstarch can help untangle stubborn knots. Finally, make it a treat party and follow for more pet hacks.
This is incredible. I honestly didn't expect a simple prompt to give us this quality. It's actually really good. And you can always make it better by clicking the Edit button. Here, you can edit the media, script, and music. So if you don't like this clip, for example, it's not an issue because using this search bar, you can find new clips. And with just one click on the new clip, the old one will be replaced. The same goes for the script. Don't like this section? Simply delete it or make it shorter or longer, and the AI will edit the video accordingly. And right here, you can give text-based commands, change the music, change the language, all with a line of text. Once you finish, click on Download to export your video. I personally recommend the Plus plan, and with my code, you will get 2x the credits on your first month. And just like that, you can start creating content to grow your channel. But now it's time to create content to promote our affiliate products. And don't forget that I will also show you how to take this business to the next level. And for this method, we are going to combine ChatGPT with InVideo AI. So in a Google Doc, I want you to paste your product information. Simply copy the title and description and paste them just like that. And then save this document as a PDF. And here comes the magic. Upload the product info into ChatGPT and use the prompt you see on the screen. I'm going to leave all the prompts in the description below. And in a matter of seconds, you will get a viral script promoting your product that will capture your viewers' attention from start to finish.
If your dog is constantly scratching, you need to hear this. My pup was the same, and it drove us both crazy.
It uses a casual first-person storytelling style and mentions the product without looking like a promotion.
Then I found this spray. Honestly, I didn't expect much, but I gave it a shot.
After generating the script, I want you to use this prompt you see on the screen. And this prompt will turn your script into a complete story where each scene has its corresponding visuals. Like when it says, if your dog is constantly scratching, you need to hear this. The visual suggestion is a dog scratching itself, looking uncomfortable. So what you need to do now is generate the visuals for all of the scenes. And in terms of the actual product clips, you can find lots on Amazon. This means it's time to put everything together using InVideo AI. From the workflows, select Script to Video. This will generate a video using exactly your script. Paste your script here and customize your background music and subtitles as you like. Then generate the video. Once it's generated, click Edit and start by uploading the images you've created. So the goal now is to replace the existing clips with our own. So basically, select the clip you want to change. Check the related text so you know what it's about and replace it with the correct image for that scene. And repeat the same process for all clips. And after downloading the video, we will have this masterpiece.
If your dog is constantly scratching, you need to hear this. My pup was the same, and it drove us both crazy. I found loose fur everywhere and he seemed so uncomfortable. Fleas and ticks are more than just annoying, they can be dangerous. So I tried everything. Then I found this spray. Honestly, I didn't expect much, but I gave it a shot. A few sprays and it was like magic. He stopped scratching almost immediately. I'll put the details in the bio, hope it helps your furry friend too.
So now people will watch your video, and if you grab their attention enough, they will click the link in your bio, and there they will find your affiliate product. And because we've touched their emotion, they might buy the product and you will earn your commission. And if you want to take this idea to the next level, here's what I would do. Inside Amazon Associates, you can sign up to promote products in different countries like Germany or Spain. And using InVideo AI, you can turn your video into another language with just one line of text.
Si tu perro se rasca constantemente, necesitas escuchar esto.
So with a few clicks, you can start targeting different markets and increase your chances of making money.